Okay, question 11. The length, the breadth, the thickness of a rectangular sheet of metal are 4.234. Actually, I suggest that for better understanding of the question, you remove that word sheet and make it plate. You remove that word sheet and make it plate. Question is not wrong, but we are changing words so we can understand the question better. Okay, instead of sheet, you make it plate. So length, breadth, thickness of a rectangular plate of metal are 4.234 meter, 1.005 meter, and 2.01 meter. Yes or no? Centimeter, the meter, the be careful. Clear? This is one of the common mistakes in exam. Okay, unit એક બીજો આવ્યો હોય આપણે તો ગમે તે લઈ લે પછી ખોટો આન્સર. Give the area over there. Before the word area, write surface. Okay, so we want to find surface area, not area. Give the surface area and the volume of the sheet to correct significant, right? To correct significant figures. See, this is the sheet. Actually, a sheet no kehવાય એટલે plate કહેવાય because sheet is very thin. Paper sheet, a paper plate depends. Paper plate થોડી જાડી હોય. Disposable plate જોઈ ને તમે ઓકે ઓર નોટ એને કોઈ paper sheet કે અને આ તમે ટૂંકના પેજીસ ને તમે paper plate ખોલો. This is a paper plate. You understand what I'm saying? Sheets are very thin. Plates are not thick. Okay, so this is a plate. What do we have to find now? Volume. What shape is this plate? Cuboid. Cuboid. Is that clear or not clear? Not rectangle, but cuboid. Make sense or not?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Rectangle kone kehvaય? Just one surface. That's called a rectangle. But this is a body. Okay, 3D. Yes, this is a three-dimensional body. It has volume. It means it's a cuboid. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, who remembers formula of volume of cuboid? Pela volume. Who remembers formula of volume of cuboid? આવડે બધાને આવડે. And don't worry if it's wrong. Okay, don't be shy. ખોટું પડે તો કોઈ કઈ કહેવાનું. Very good. Volume of cuboid. Yes, love. LBH. Learn by heart, you. No? Sit down. You are right. Length into breadth into height. LBH. Like this. Clear? Everyone got that?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's find out. Can you please pass it? So V is equal to LBH. Okay. But let's draw the plate first. Okay, just to give you a feel of what's going on. So this is like the plate here, right? It has some length, some width, and some thickness. How much is the thickness? That will be like height. Yes or no? How much is the thickness? 2.01 centimeter. But we want to convert it to meters. So this is going to be 0.0201 meter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Just before we start solving this question, can you tell me how many significant figures are there in this? 3. Sure?
Yes.
2, 0, and 1. Clear 3. Significant. Can you tell me how many significant digits are there in this? 3. One more. 3. Okay. So what did you observe? That when we change unit, the number of significant figures should never change. Is that clear? If it changes, you did something wrong. Understood?
Yes.
When we change units or when we convert units, the number of significant figures should never change. Okay, so this is 0.0201 meter. Fine. Then length is given and breadth is also given. Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's start. We have to do what here? Which process is this? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division.
Multiplication.
Okay. Fine. So first of all, you just multiply it directly. Come on. L into B into H. Okay, a lot of hard work to do. Done. I have only multiplied L into B so far. Has anyone multiplied L with B? Check the answer. Is this what you're getting?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And I hope everyone will do it. Do not wait for others. Okay, so 4.255170. You are allowed to do it with a calculator. At least I am not saying that you don't use a calculator. Right? But like I have said, if you have found it with calculator, then you don't speak your answer because others are trying to do it without calculator. Alright? So here 4.255170. This is what we get. Now, do we need all these significant digits? No. Look at this multiplication. How many significant digits are there in L? 4. 4. 4. Both have 4 significant digits. Okay. One more. Here. You see, if you are multiplying it like this, right? And if you are going to do it in multiple steps, for example, right now we have found L into B and then we are going to multiply with L. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you are doing multiple steps, it's often to use, it's easy or better to use one extra digit. Okay, and then finally round it off at the end. See, the rule says that you should use 4 significant digits in the answer. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you remember the rule or not?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
But we will use one extra digit. Why? Because we still have to do some calculation. We have multiplied L into B, but we still have to multiply X. So temporarily, we will use one extra digit. Temporarily only, not in the final answer. Understood?
Yes.
Right? So here we will use 5, not 4. Why 5? 1 extra. It says 4, but we will use 5. That's it. 5 here. Is it fine till here? Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have to round it off. So 1, 7. What should I make it? 2. So the multiplication of L into B will be 4.2552. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, we are using one extra digit. Why? Because we still have to do some calculation. This is not final answer. Okay, into H. What is H? 0.0201. Now, how many significant digits this has? 3. Okay, go over. 4.2552. 0.1 no lagay. I am going to say 201. 004. 004 and 11 5 8 4 2 5 5 5 9 2 5 8 Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, who did it before me? Very good. Your speed is commendable. Calculator hoga. No. With calculator, without calculator. Okay, then that's not about speed. Nevertheless. So here we got it. Now, where should I put the point? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0.08. Yes or no?
Yes.
0.0855. Okay. So okay. How many significant digits do we want now? 3 only. Yes or no? This is the answer, right? We have got the final answer. How many significant digits do we want? 3. Why 3?
Because the least.
Least. 3, 4, 4. Which is least? 3. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Sounds good, isn't it?
Yes.
Answer. Sounds pretty? Sure. So what should be the answer?
8.55 into 10 raised to
Scientific notation પછી પહેલા એવી નંબર લખીએ. What should I?
0.0.
0.088. How many significant digits so far? One only. One and zero. Okay, then 3. Taken a guru. Clear or not? Then what about these two? We have to drop it, right? Okay, we should not increase that 5. So 0.0855 meter cube, or in scientific notation 8.55 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter cube. Okay, check the answer at the back. Volume no answer check करजो, पर the surface area no बता. We have not found it yet. Find the answer for volume, everyone. From the book. Does it match?
Yes, sir.
Matches?
Yes.
Very good. Thank you. We have not made a calculation. Well, then, surface area. Do you remember how you? Okay, one more thing again. Do you remember this one extra digit rule? What did I tell you? When you have to do multiple steps, then what to do? Use one more digit. Okay, one extra, and at the end, we will give the final answer properly according to rules. You know, the reason is that sometimes when you round off too much, the value will change. So to prevent that, we are using one extra digit to be on the safer side. Okay, but at the end we will remove that and we'll give the final answer properly. Okay, let's continue now with the surface area. Do you remember surface area of cuboid? Formula: surface area of a cuboid. तो एक बार वांची लेजो बेसिक टेन गમે ત્યારે કામ આવે છે. Yes, Prisha.
2 into bracket LB plus BS plus LH.
Yes, 2 into LP plus BS plus LH. LH. Same, right? Okay, so surface area suppose H is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus PS. Okay, fine. Sit down. Let's do it. So much of calculation to do now. Okay. All right. LB. We have already done LB. Yes or no? Okay. Let's use it. So 2 into what is 4 point. How many digits should I use again? 1 extra. Is that okay? 1 extra. So instead of using 4, I use 5. 4.2552. 17 will become 2. Got it?
Yes.
Okay or not okay? Now other two you have to find. Hurry up. L into H. Done. And BA. Is this what you get by multiplying L into H?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay, where will be the point?
Before 8.
This is 4.234 and that is over here also it is 0 point. So 8, yes or no? 8 digits will go behind the point. Clear? So it will be 3401 6 yeah, 0.0085.
Only 1 0.
Only 1 0.
Yes, sir.
Are you
7
sure?
digits. Yes.
8. Okay, sorry, there are 3 ones. Excuse me. Yeah, I was about to make a very silly mistake. Yeah, 3 here and 4 here. So total 7. Fine. So 0.0851034. Is that okay or not okay?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is it. Now how many digits to use? How many significant digits? 5. Okay, not 4. 5. So 8, 5, 1, 0, 3. Okay? So 0.085103. Clear? Now BH. B into H. What's the rate? 1.0059. Okay. So So 1 0 0 5 2 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 0 2 2 zeros 1 0 and 2 zeros. How was it? 2010. 2010. And then you will have 2 zeros. Take 0 over there. Yes? Is this clear? Sure. Is this what you get finally?
Yes.
Okay, who gets this? 2 0 2 0 0 5. On other multiplication the mark of the okay. Well, so how many points here? So how many digits here? 3 here and 4 here. So 7, right? So what are they? 4 5. Yeah. 0.02020005. Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Let's add this here. So 0.0202. How many to use? Only 5. So 2020. Okay or not okay? No, these are only 4. Just a second. Clear or not clear? This 0 and this 0 not significant. Okay, these 5 are significant. And now, in addition, what do we have to see? Do we have to see significant digits or number of places after the point? Number of places after the point. So this has how many places after the point? 4. This has how many places? Many more. Many more. So 4 will be the final. Okay. But still, we will use one extra digit. So we will write up to 5. Is that clear? Okay. So what do we get? Go ahead. 4.2552. Then 0.085103 and 0.020200. 3 0 5 0 1 10 15 16 1 3 4.360503. Was it?
Yes.
Okay or not okay?
Yes.
Mantra, you doing it? But you are getting wrong answers? Like me? Okay, so this is what we get, right? Now, we have to still multiply this with 2, but let's use 5 digits so far. Okay, this was only up to 2. This was only up to 2, but let's write one more digit. So this will be your final. Okay, and into 2 now. Multiply that with 2. So that's going to be 1 0 0 1 2 7 8 8.72100. But there are too many digits. Okay, these are too many digits. Right. So here remember when we multiplied these things the first time. This had only 3 significant digits. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we should never have more than 3. Understood? Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Right? So what should I write? 8.72 meters square. Check the answer at the back. Match? Okay. Is the method clear?
Yes.
Again, the main focus is always on how many digits to use. That's it. Right? बाकी multiplication ने खुद तो तुमने आवड़े थे. Right? So be careful about that. Okay. Right. Now, take your time now. Come on. There are some questions like this. We will solve them. The last section. Did you see about significant figures? Is there? Question 34. Okay, 34. Question 34 is just like textbook question. Okay, with a small change. Did you see it?
Yes.
Or not?
Yes.
Find the answer. Come on. Now I should not have to do it for you. You try it yourself. If you girls do not have the assignment, obviously, after this class, you will come to start commenting. Alright? So, mass of block is 2.3 kg. On that, we are putting two more masses. Which one? 20.15 gram and 20.17 gram. They have to be added to the box. Then, what will be the total mass? What would be the total mass? To add, the units have to be same, right? Otherwise, you cannot add. Same mistake as I was saying. This is kg. 20.1517 is in graph. The wrong assignment, it is not this one. This one, the one that we saw in the class. Yeah. Write minimum, get the answer fastest possible. Okay. One gram is 100 kg. 1 kg is 100 gram. Okay. So are you sure that conversion is right? Yeah, now it. No. So what have we given? 3 masses are given. 2.3 kg, 20.15 gram, and 20.17 gram. We have to find total mass. Okay. First step would be to convert from gram to kg. Okay. How many of you have found the answer? What? Right. Let's ask you one. Which one? Let's start with you. What's your answer?
20.15
Okay, I was asking you about final answer. Okay, sit down. No problem. Continue. Who has found final answer of this question? My happiness was short-lived. What do you have done? So first of all, we convert this to kg. Let's see. This would be 0.02015 kg. Yes or no?
Yes.
This would be 0.0217 kg. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we want to add them. So add. Okay. Now time to decide answers. A, B, C, or D. Okay. Add them, and then who says A? Who says B? C and D. Nobody says C or D? E is right. Okay. Why? Look at the places. In the first one, how many places are there after the point? One only. Clear or not?
Yes.
Do you remember that rule?
Yes.
Okay, you have to look at the least number of decimal places. The first one is 2.3 kg, one place after the point. In second one, 5. In third one also 5. But the answer will be with the least number of places, so only one place after the point. Okay, so 2.3 kg. This is weird. The mass was 2.3. You added something. Still the mass is what's the problem? It's like, suppose I tell you an example. Suppose you consider a truck which is filled. Okay, it's carrying something from one point to the other. It will have some mass in ton. Okay, in that truck, if you add this duster, then you throw the duster and it's gone inside. Do you think that way breathe which is measuring in tons, can measure the little mass of this duster. Not very same thing happened. Because the precision is not that much. You get what I'm saying? Adding the two masses does not change the measurement. Okay? It's like you want to measure your own mass, but you don't know that a little ant sits on your head. Got the idea? Okay, let's go to the next question. The length, the breadth, and the thickness of a block are given by L, B, and H, or T. T for thickness. Okay? Right? 12 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 2.45 centimeter. Okay? These are the length, breadth, and thickness. What do we have to find? Volume of the block. Easy peasy question. Isn't it? Find volume. How to find volume? LDS. Multiply them. But follow significant figure rules properly. So what is length given? 12 centimeters. Breadth
6 centimeters.
and thickness 2.45 centimeter. Do it, come on, find out the volume. Sure. Double check that it's right. Done. Thickness, longer, thickness, same but height. Long. Is the answer? None of these? None of these? Interesting. Let's see. So this is going to be 72 into 245. So 245 into 72. Okay? મને કઈક તો કામ કરો 0 5 3 8 1 3 4 70 મને ખબર પડે મને આવડે જ નહીં પડે Yes, no. Yes. Sure. Yes. Okay, but look at the three things we multiplied. How many significant digits? Nonsense. We got nonsense. Two significant digits. But you know, it should have how many significant digits in the answer? Only one. Okay, so we will have to round it off. Pehla point 1 મૂકી દે 2.45. So point is here. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so final answer is 176.40, but we have to take care of significant figures. So first of all, let me write it in scientific notation in this way. Clear or not clear? Yes. But we need only one significant digit. Clear or not clear? Which option? Two. B. B. B for ball. Second one is right. Okay. Exam માં ખુશી -1 લઈને આવશો. None of this sir એ કઈ નહોતો આવતો. આવે છે જો. Okay, I'm being serious. Outside, નીટમાં આ જ challenge છે. The options are given very nicely. Right? That even after doing it right, you will take the wrong answer. Okay, and earn -1. Okay, everything over 35 is clear? Or does anyone want to ask a question? Okay, 36. In certain observation of simple pendulum, we got L means length as 23.2 centimeter, radius 1.32 centimeter, if I'm ready, okay. And time taken for 10 oscillation was 10.0 seconds. Estimate the value of G in proper significant figures and take pi square exactly as 10. See, when this is pi square, pi is a number which we don't need to measure. Suppose you are doing time period experiment for a pendulum, then we are not supposed to measure pi. Everybody knows value of pi up to so many significant digits. It's not just 3.14. Okay? And the whole world knows. Right? So we don't have to worry about pi's significantly. Let me give you another example. If someone says, find perimeter of a square, 4 into L, yes or no? You remember this? Perimeter of a square. Okay? This 4 has how many significant figures? It's not 1. It is not 1. The answer is infinite. That is as many as you want. Why? How do you actually get the 4? You count, yes or no? One side, second side, third side, and okay. So is the number of sides 4? Are you even a little uncertain that it is 4? But the 4 nahi hoye exact 3.99 hase. Can number of sides be 3.99? Can number of sides of a square be 3.99? Yes? વિચારી તો રહો છો બોલો છો તમે. Can number of sides of a square be 3.99? Exactly 4 જ હોય ને? Or is there even a little doubt that it might be maybe a little bit less than 4 or a little bit greater than 4? Do you think it is possible to have anything like that? It is exactly 4. Exactly 4. Make sense or not? Sure. Number of sides. It's not a measured quantity basically. It's a counted thing. Count, that is okay. 1, 2, 3. Count. Is that okay? Do you realize counting is exact?
Yes.
Make sense or not?
Yes.
If someone says how many fingers are there on your hand, it's exact. Will you say you have uncertainty about it? Error છે કદાચ ખબર નહીં. Plus or minus half a finger, you know it. You understand what I'm saying? You will have 5 fingers. That's it. Clear or not? Unless you are talking about Hrithik Roshan. He has plus or minus half a finger. Nevertheless, coming back to this. So this 4, you can in fact write it as 4.0 because we know it's exactly 4. We can also write it as 4.00 because we know it's exactly 4. There is no doubt about what's the next digit. No, all these digits are always 0 because we know this is exactly 4. So if someone will say that in this formula, this 4 has how many significant figures? Infinite or as many as required. Got it? Not 1. Clear? Let me give you another example. Do you remember surface area of a cube is 6L square? Have you heard about this or not? Yes. This 6 has infinite significant figures. Why? How do you get that 6? A cube has 6 faces, yes or no? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there is no doubt. Okay, 5.99 no. Make sense or not? Yes. Got it? Yes. So whenever we get such kind of numbers which are obtained by counting, okay, which are obtained by counting, or they come from nature. For example, pi is another example. Right? Whenever you use a formula, let's say you write a is equal to pi r square, for example, for a circle, then actually pi has infinite significant digits. The only problem is you might not be knowing all, but there are other people in the world who know these digits. Right? That is, pi is not just 3.14. There will be more. We know all those digits. Did you understand? We know all these digits. So we consider that pi also has how many significant digits? Infinite. Clear? Fine? So keep all these things in mind. If you want, you can write it as a sentence, okay, so that you can remember. The sentence would be counting numbers. Write it. Counting numbers. Counting numbers and numbers appearing. Counting numbers and numbers appearing in formula from derivation. From derivation. D-E-R-I-V-A-T-I-O-N. Numbers appearing in formula. Counting numbers or numbers appearing in formula from derivation have infinite significant digits. Have infinite significant digits. Okay, that's all this question. Never mind. We will do it the next time. Okay, what should I ask you to do it yourself? ખાલી મલ્ટીપ્લાય ડિવાઇડ કરવાનું નહીં થાય નો થાય કોને નથી આવડતું મલ્ટીપ્લાય ડિવાઇડ રેઝ યોર હેન્ડ ના કોણ પાડે છે જોઈએ તો ખરા કોને નથી આવડતું મલ્ટીપ્લાય ડિવાઇડ કરતા રાઘવ Okay, no problem. We will do it the next time.